Today I'm going to show you how the baby weigh scale by Medela works using the pre and post feed weight options and the zero function. So the first thing you do is you turn the scale on, this button right here, and then we're going to put our baby blanket on there in preparation for baby. Now you can see it registers a weight and we don't necessarily want that. So then we're going to press the zero function. And that will give us a calculation that doesn't include the blanket. So we'll go ahead and put our baby, or in this case our moose, on. And we'll let it register and lock in a weight. There, it just had lock. This little arrow indicates that, so I'm going to press number 1 for the before feed weight. Now I'm going to remove the baby. I'll leave the blanket on there. And then I'm going to put the baby back on, assuming that it's drank now, had its feed. So I'm just putting a little bit of extra weight behind it here. I'll put it back on the scale with the extra weight. Let it lock into place. Press number 2 for after feed. And now I'm going to remove everything, including the blanket. Let it settle again. And now I'm going to press the amount fed button, number 3, and it will tell me that baby drank 7.9 ounces. Super easy to use, very sensitive, very effective. This is a medical grade scale, so really heavy duty, like you would have in your nursing station or a doctor's office. We rent these from our Calgary location for $99 a month, and you can call, text, or email us for availability. Thank you.